Hello everyone, welcome back to the 9th video of our Hacking with Raspberry Pi course. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you a very useful thing for hackers. Today I will show you how to become anonymous online while hacking with Raspberry Pi. I will show you two ways to become anonymous online with Raspberry Pi while hacking using Tor, proxy chains and MAC changing. IP address and MAC address is the most valuable information, and using these two information you can trace anyone. So in this video I will show you how to become anonymous online by changing them. So without talking too much, let's get started. First of all, power up your hacking machine and take SSH terminal using PuTTY into our hacking machine. Then make an update of your OS using sudo apt update, this command. Now we need to install Tor and proxy chains into our Raspberry Pi. To install Tor, type this command sudo apt install Tor and hit enter, and it will start Tor on our Raspberry Pi. Then type sudo apt install proxy chains and hit enter, and it will install proxy chains into our Raspberry Pi. Using this Tor and proxy chains, we can change our IP address randomly so that we can make ourselves anonymous. First, we need to configure the proxy chains. To do it, type sudo nano/etc/proxychains.conf and hit enter. It will open the proxy chains configuration file. From here, uncomment the dynamic proxy. Now scroll down and disable this random proxy. Add this hash sign before it. Now scroll down and enter a line for SOX5 proxy down below. Right here SOX5, then the localhost IP address and this port number. Now press Ctrl O, hit enter to save, then Ctrl X to exit. Now we need to restart our Tor service. Type sudo service Tor restart. Okay, now we are ready to use proxy chains. If I type here proxy chains, you can see the option to use it. We need to type proxy chains before every program what we want to use using proxy chains. We need to type proxy chains before every program to use random proxy address with our program. Like this. Here you can see I type proxy chains before the nmap command. And like this you can use nmap with different proxy chains. Also you can use it through our browser. If we type proxy chains then our browser name, then our browser will open up with the proxy chains. And we can browse internet using our browser from random IP address. And it will make us anonymous online by hiding our IP address. Now it's time to changing the MAC address. To do so, we need to install MAC changer into our Raspberry Pi. To install it, type sudo apt install MAC changer and hit enter. And it will install MAC changer into our Raspberry Pi. Now if I type macchanger --help, it will show us all the options to use it. Now let's see how to use it. First we need to down our network card. Type sudo iwconfig and it will show us the Wi-Fi network card which are available in our Raspberry Pi. Now I am going to down this WLAN1 card. To do it, type on your terminal sudo ifconfig WLAN1 and down, then hit enter. Okay, our interface is down. Now let's see the original MAC address of that card. Type sudo macchanger -s and WLAN1, then hit enter. And here you can see the default MAC address of this Wi-Fi card. Now let's change the MAC address randomly. Type sudo macchanger -r and wran1. Then hit enter. And now you can see it changed our MAC address to a random MAC address. So in this two way we can make ourselves anonymous online. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. So give your feedback in message and put your opinion into this review section of this course.